Welcome! In front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch GTH and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to turn on the watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button. Keep holding it until the watch turns on. After the watch turns on, we need to download and install a MOBVOI application on our phone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled, and once you do, you can open the Google Play Store on your phone. In the Play Store you can tap on search and type in MOBVOI and tap on search. You should see this application MOBVOI, formerly TicWatch. Install this application by tapping on the install button. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. In the application, tap on the start button. Now you can tap on the account icon right here, or yes, account, tap on login now, and we need to log in into a MOBVOI account. So I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address and password. Okay, and then we can tap on login to log in. I forgot to mention, but if you don't have an account, you can also tap on register right here to make an account, or tap on the Google icon to use the Google account to log in. I'm just gonna tap on login, and after we log in, we can now tap on the device icon, tap on add device. Now we can scroll down through the list, find the TicWatch GTH, tap on go to settings, allow the permission for the location. Now we can go back, and here we can allow the permission for the camera. So basically, if you allow this permission, you will be able to scan the QR code from the watch to pair the watch to your phone. But you can also deny it and tap on this button right here, search nearby devices, to basically skip the QR code scanning, and basically the app will look for the nearby devices and it should detect your watch. So depending on which option you prefer, you can select one of them. I'm gonna tap on while using the app, and I'm just gonna simply scan the QR code from the watch like this. As you can see, now it's pairing. Something went wrong. Let's try again. So let's tap on retry. This time it connected, and now we can tap on complete, allow the permission or deny them, depending on what you want to do with your watch. If you want to use the notifications, for example, you need to allow the permissions. If you don't care, you can deny them. I'm just gonna allow them. And once you're done with the permissions, you should see your TicWatch GTH on the device page right here. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.